So hello guys, I am presenting this review for a Digitech Gorilla tripod. I was tempted to see that it promises to hold mobile phones, DSLR and action cameras. It's quite cheap. I got it for $399 something, and it offers various features like heavy duty, right, ensuring rough usage using DSLR. At several places it mentions that it will be able to hold DSLR in place, okay, and maximum weight bearing capacity is 1 kilogram as specified. So I just ordered this one last week. I received it yesterday only. You can see here, you can consider this to be an unboxing as well as review and test. Okay, this is Digitech model 260 GT, and various features are indicated. Okay, and weight bearing capacity is 1 kilogram as I said, and it specifies that it is portable, stable and compact. So let us go and test it. It comes with a flexible tripod. It's light in weight, plastic quality looks to be good, and they have also provided one mobile holder. Okay, we can attach mobile horizontally or vertically, along with a Bluetooth remote which easily pairs. Let us start mounting with the testing of a mobile phone. I am using Redmi 4A. This is a 4 or 5 years old model. It's a medium sized mobile phone, and weight is around maybe less than 200 grams or so. So let me first fix up this mobile attachment clip, okay, onto the tripod. There is a 1/4 inch threaded screw, so that there we can attach this one. Okay, and now let us place this mobile. So as I am trying to attach here, I have to push the, so clip has a good grip over it, and there is a cushioning at the bottom and at the top for holding the mobile phone. But if there is a power button, you have to be careful. Do not press the power button. Slightly install it on the side of the mobile phone. So it is holding this mobile phone in place, and it looks quite stable in this sense. Okay, we can adjust as per the angle, but of course the horizontal level we cannot adjust. We can set various angles, tilt for the mobile phone for recording videos and making photos, taking photographs. Now let us come to the feature which I am really worried about, is that when we are using a tripod in this manner for maybe selfie or maybe making a video on the move, okay, so we want this to be very absolutely stable. But what I realized is that at one particular angle, the neck just below the mobile phone holder, it was very loose. You can see here, observe carefully, at one particular angle of tilt, it just loses control. So this is something I did not expect from a new tripod, and having so much of positive ratings on the prominent website selling it. Okay, now let us test it with Nikon DSLR D5600 with the basic kit lens. So this total weight of the lens and camera is less than 600 grams. So I'll just attach it here. This attachment for the camera is also provided in the kit. So we have to fix up this attachment down at the bottom with a screw, but there is no separate screw provided. We have to rotate the whole assembly and it just keep revolving. There is no one particular lock position. We may have to use screwdriver for it, right? Let us fix up, and I try to set up the position. See, maximum load bearing capacity specified is 1 kilogram, but let us observe as I fix up. So camera is simply unable to hold on to its position. There is no balance. You can see it is just losing its balance. I tried different positions, so please do not try this at your home. You may damage your lens or the camera. Okay, and see, even a small touch or a push, and neither the tripod legs are able to hold it, and nor the neck that be just below the camera. That's the weakest part, and the weight is only 600 gram. It is unable to bear, and it doesn't look sturdy at all, not safe for DSLR cameras. right? You can see here camera is just falling like that. Okay, now let us test it with a larger lens, and here we will be all disappointed that we cannot use it. So the next test is with a camera and a larger lens, approximately 1 kilogram weight. Let us consider that. Okay, so here it is, Nikon D5600 along with the 18200 lens. If we try to fix it on this tripod, let us use this one. So let me mount it, and result we can always expect what will happen next. The smaller lens itself, the weight was more than higher than the capacity of what this kind of low cost this tripods can do, but surely they offer promise as per the marketing is concerned on the website pages, and I have included this one. At the earlier stage you might have seen they are showing DSLR, but with a larger lens you can see it is a simply it's out of proportion for this particular tripod, and weight is nearly what is in the capacity of this particular tripod, and I am trying to adjust in all possible angles, but it's not possible. The lens itself, there is no balance possible with this small tripods. Okay, even mobile phone, when we try to handle, they lose control. The grip at the neck and grip within the legs, they are not sturdy. So I am not satisfied with this, and maybe okay, so be careful. I hope this particular load test is helpful to for you to understand before you buy such kind of Gorilla tripod. Thanks very much.